So in OnScale, if you want to create a voltage load, you just create like that a series of loadings in between two types of piezoelectric material, and one will be a ground load and the other one will be a voltage with a time function which is associated. So the time function is, in my case, it's a sinusoidal pulse like this one. So, and then you create a circuit, so a simple resistance, and you associate that to your loading. So for that, just go in the load, and if you go down onto the voltage input load, you have circuit optional, so you choose circuit here. So this is how you create a load. Now how do you measure the voltage received in another place? Well, you do exactly the same thing. So let's suppose I have a second Tonpilz transducer on the other side. Well, I will choose similarly the interface of those two basic shapes, and I will create a loading in between. And this loading will be voltage ground, and I associate a circuit to it. So if you associate the circuit, the load will be automatically monitored and you will be able to visualize it in the post-processing. So then let's go and switch to post-processing after I computed my model, and I can see that now here in voltage and charge I am able to see the voltage and the charge from that loading located here. So I'm able to input a load here and emit a voltage pulse, and I'm able to receive this voltage on the other side of this water cube. So that's it.